Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati madam. And friends, this video is going to be very interesting video because in this video I will show you how I made earthen stove. Yes friends, in this video I will show you how to make earthen stove in order to cook food. If you also want to know how to make and if you also want to cook food on earthen stove, then please just watch this video and just make an earthen stove at your home and try some food and cook some food on earthen stove and just enjoy it because I like this. So friends, first of all, in order to make earthen stove, there was need of mitti, means clay. So I got that clay from the pond of my village, and all of us, my sister-in-law and I, all of means both of us, we went there and we got that clay in Tasla. And after coming home, then we first got some bricks. So first my sister-in-law, she placed all these bricks in a very nice way, and I also told him how to place them so that it would look quite good and interesting, you can see. And then she started making earthen stove, and first of all she was just checking all the bricks will be enough or not. And these are saria rod, iron rod, and we will also use these rods in order to make that earthen stove. Actually, the type of earthen stove which I made, it's totally unique. In my village no one has made this type of earthen stove. Actually, I wanted to make something different and unique type of earthen stove so that I will cook food very easily and my house will not get dirty because of smoke. So I thought some different idea and then I started making it. And therefore it took a quite long time to make. And the amount of mitti or clay which we got, it was not sufficient. So we next day again we went and we got some extra clay to make. And you can see the process of making earthen stove. Actually, in village mostly people, they prefer only earthen stove to cook food. Therefore I also wanted to cook it. And this is my new house and there was no earthen stove. So I asked my sister-in-law to make it, and I was also helping him because of course there is no doubt, in order to make earthen stove it's a very long process and it's time consuming. So actually making earthen stove is not my cup of tea. So therefore I asked my sister-in-law because I'm totally unaware how to make earthen stove. Actually she is the one, she every year she makes earthen stove, and you can see the design of earthen stove, how she makes. And I'm also helping him. I'm just mixing this busa, and we call this busa in English chaff. And because when we mix this, then the strength of that earthen stove will be quite strong as compared to normal. So therefore we prefer to add this. And I'm also using little bit water in order to mix it. And now you can see this is a process of making. And on the back side I will use that pipe, and this pipe is an old pipe, and I will use this pipe in order to remove the smoke. All the smoke will remove through this pipe, and in this way my house will not get dirty or black. And this is a girl, all of them, they were coming to see, because this is the very first time I'm making different type of earthen stove. So please let me know, have you ever made this type of earthen stove on your own or not? And this time I also watched, and from today onwards I will also try to make. Actually, every year before rainy season we make earthen stoves, and then we cook food. And friends, there were so many people, they were watching, and these are the babies and they are taking rest. And she's also my mother-in-law, means my husband's auntie. And this is a pipe, I will use this pipe. And actually all of us, we like food cooked by using that earthen stove, so therefore I also wanted to make. So I started taking steps, and you can see the process. And now people, they are using different type of stoves, like they can use heater and gas cylinder, stove, different types of stove. But earlier people used to cook food only on using that earthen stove, because the food cooked by earthen stove, the taste of this food is really awesome, out of this world, no one can compare this. And this is a girl, she is the girl, and she is holding that umbrella. And because in the afternoon it was sunny, too sunny, and on the first day we ran out of that clay. So on another day we again went and we got 4 taslas of clay, and it took 2 days to prepare this stove. And why I spreaded these bricks below this chulha, because I made this chulha on my terrace, so there was need to make, otherwise my. And friends, please let me know, did you like that chulha or not? And now I will try, of course I will cook food on this stove. And you can see, after completing the work, this is my chula, this is my earthen stove. And please let me know, did you like this or not, or did you like this video or not? And this is the person who made this, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep practicing your spoken English. Whatever you want to achieve, you can. Always believe in yourself. Have faith in yourself.